Now I have climbed from the road up to the plateau where my building will be located. This side is a hillside having 50% rise. Stopping the plateau, this is where I'm standing right now, and the plateau is about, the width is the whole width of the lot. The length is the whole length of the lot, and the width is about 25 feet wide. And then on the left hand side, as you can see, it's a very steep rise. It's 50% to 60% rise, and it's very steep here. And there are some small trees, and near the building side there's not much big trees. Most of the trees are below bushes and need to be cleaned. It's less than 5 and 4 inches wide in diameter, and the few trees larger will be removed. And I'm going to walk towards the other end of the building paths and take a better view from the top. And from the left-hand side, and you can see a few trees in here next to my building path. Those trees will be definitely be removed as part of the tree removal plan. And if you're looking from the top, going downhill, you can see where my car is. The slope is about 50% going down as well. And walking towards the other end of the building path, and this is the higher view of this path here. The two construction sticks from the previous owner, and looking down there is a fairly high, steep rise, 50 to 60% rise. There are trees from here. I'm turning left and right as I'm walking through the building paths. Now I'm standing at the other end of the plateau of the building site, and on the right you can see the old construction stakes, and to your left hand side there are a few trees that need to be removed, and the part of removal plans. We're going to remove less trees compared to what it used to be, because we're trying to save the trees, a few trees near the road. And there's still a lot of cleaning things to be done, and a lot of brushes and weeds on the ground. Alright, those are the two trees next to the road. And near where the fire hydrant is, if you look down from the road, if you look right from the road and towards the left hand side, right hand side, you can see the 2 trees next to the high fire hydrant. Here, there's not much big trees, all the small trees, less than 4-inch diameter. And walking towards right now towards the wagon trail. This is my property line. To your left, there's a fence down nearby here. The fence is the roughly location of the property line, and along this property line, within 10 feet on my side, there's no big trees at all. Mostly just the small trees, less than 1 or 2-inch diameter. Some are 3-inch diameter, and this would be a good place to relocate the sewer line from the property owner above, who ran this sewer above through my land. I'm working with them to how to get the easement and the pipe relocated. And I'm looking towards right now towards the right hand side, towards in front of me, looking from the bottom to the wagon trail. And from here we can see I'm going to walk up there to the wagon trail. This is a sewer line that is cleaned out. That is where the there's 2 sewer lines combined. The sewer line for the property owner above, and here the main house and the guest house, probably a sewer line combined here and run down in the slope. I'm walking towards the wagon, the trail. There used to be down here used to be back in about 100 years ago. This used to be the trail the landowner used to let his horse going downhill, and there's a stable down there and the building pads where it was. Alright. Towards the right, towards the left, I'm looking to the northwest corner of my land. This is where the lot of oak trees. This area will be dedicated oak tree reservations, preservation land. This is looking down the wagon trail where they used to, horses used to be riding through here, and this is down looking towards the building path, very steep, about 60% rise, and a lot of bushes, no big trees though. They plan is cutting off these bushes and clean them up. Spreader seeds to maintain the to prevent erosion and coverage, to provide coverage. Alright. Okay. This is from the very top, almost the very top of my lot. You can see the road. Hardly can see the road below because of the trees and bushes. I'm going to turn it off and then walking down the hill.